Welcome to Daily American English. Learn English with fun movie clips to improve your skills fast. Let's get started.
Ignore that. You use this to dismiss or disregard something. You say, ignore that, like, don't worry about it.
Ignore that. Ignore that.
Ignore that.
Poetry. Ignore that.
Ignore that. Ignore that.
I'm exhausted. You use this to say you are extremely tired. You say, I'm exhausted, like, I'm very tired.
Get in, honey.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted.
This doesn't feel right. You use this when something feels wrong or suspicious. You say, this doesn't feel right, like something is wrong.
This doesn't feel right.
This doesn't feel right.
This doesn't feel right.
Man, this doesn't feel right.
We're gonna have a blast. You use this to express excitement about having fun. You say, we're gonna have a blast, like, we'll have fun.
Anyway, we're gonna have a blast.
We're gonna have a blast.
We're gonna have a blast.
First, we're gonna have a blast.
We're gonna have a blast.
First, we're gonna have a blast.
You doubt me. You use this when someone questions your ability or honesty. You say, you doubt me? Like, you don't trust me?
You doubt me.
Doubted me.
Thanks. Wait, you doubted me?
You doubt me, don't you?
You doubt me. I'm not.
You gave me a fright. You use this when someone suddenly scares you. You say, you gave me a fright, like, you scared me.
You gave me a fright there.
Jesse, you gave me a fright.
You gave me a fright.
You gave me a fright.
Jesse, you gave me a fright.
You're making me nervous. You use this when someone makes you feel anxious or uneasy. You say, you're making me nervous, like, you're stressing me out.
You're making me nervous.
It's gonna come
You're making me nervous.
You're making me nervous.
You're making me nervous.
You're making me nervous.
Making me nervous.
Good.
Look at me. You use this to get someone's attention. You say, look at me, like, pay attention.
Now look at me, look at me.
Look at me. Look at me.
Look at me. Look at me.
Look at me. Look at me.
Would you like a drink? You use this to politely offer a drink. You say, would you like a drink? Like, can I get you a drink?
Would you like 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 a drink?
You're hilarious. You use this to say someone is very funny. You say, you're hilarious, like, you're very funny.
You're hilarious.
Hilarious. You're hilarious.
You're hilarious.
You're hilarious. Honey?
You're hilarious.
You're right on time. You use this to say someone arrived at the perfect time. You say, you're right on time, like perfect timing.
You're right on time.
You're right on time.
Right on time.
You're right on time.
You're right on time.
Right on time.
You make me proud. You use this to express pride in someone. You say, you make me proud, like, I'm proud of you.
Make me proud.
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 What's your location? You use this to ask where someone is. You say, what's your location? Like, where are you?
What's your location? Jeffrey's 2. What's your location?
What's your name? You use this to ask someone's name. You say, "What's your name?" Like, "Who are you?"
What's your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name?
Who did this? You use this to find out who caused something. You say, "Who did this?" Like, "Who caused it?"
Who did this?
Who did this?
Who did all this?
Who did this?
Who did this?
Who did this?
Who hurt you? You use this to show concern for someone who was hurt. You say, "Who hurt you?" Like, "Who harmed you?"
Who hurt you?
Who hurt you?
Who hurt you? Who hurt you? Who you hurt?
Remain here. You use this to tell someone to stay in the same place. You say, "Remain here," like, "Stay here."
Remain here.
Remain here.
Remain here.
Remain here.
Remain here.
Remain here.
That's an excellent idea. You use this to praise a suggestion. You say, "That's an excellent idea," like, "That's a great idea."
That's an excellent idea, sir.
That's an excellent idea.
That's an excellent idea.
Excellent idea.
Well, that's an excellent idea.
What is your occupation? You use this to ask about someone's job. You say, "What is your occupation?" Like, "What do you do for a living?"
Occupation? What's your occupation? What's your occupation?
What is your occupation?
Occupation? What's your occupation?
You took your time. You use this when someone was slow. You say, "You took your time," like, "You were slow."
You took your time?
You took your time.
You took your time?
Take your time.
You took your time.
You took your time.
I understand perfectly. You use this to show full understanding. You say, "I understand perfectly," like, "I get it."
I understand perfectly.
I understand perfectly. I understand perfectly.
I understand perfect.
I understand perfectly.
Understand perfectly.